Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's World. Just want to show what I've been up to here in the last 2 or 3 days. Boy, it's foggy out here today. Look at that. Can you see? Really foggy. Anyway, a couple days ago I mowed and we've had so much rain that I can't mow when it's real wet. So the grass is getting, like, in places it was like a foot tall. There was so much of it. I decided to rake up a bunch. I've got a bunch of piles raked up, and that's going to go in the garden beds back there. I'll take you back there and show you that. I got quite a bit of the garden planted. Things are looking pretty good. We've just had tons of rain. It is really wet. I'm out here, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and there's no wind blowing for once. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity to make a video. So that's a new food forest right there. And them hazelnut trees have really grown. They're looking nice. Who knows, might even get some hazelnuts off of them this year. Oh, okay, I'll take you back there and show you what I've done by the pond. These are my Chinese chestnut trees. I got 4 of them. One of them died, but they're starting to get catkins on them. That one's got some catkins there. Maybe I'll have some nuts this year, I don't know. I think that one has catkins. I don't see any on that one, but this one over here has catkins as well. And here's what I done like 3 days ago. I couldn't get over there. That grass and weeds on that berm right there, it goes around this pond number 1, was like a foot and a half, sometimes some places 2 foot tall. Well, you could see it looked like that. Well, I couldn't get over there from here, and on the other side's way too wet. I got a ramp that comes up to it, but I couldn't access that, so I got on Marketplace, and I had some culvert pipe, 12-inch. That was what I was looking for. And I'd already had the ditch dug, so I just laid the pipe in there and dug up a bunch of dirt over here and threw on top, and then I scythed it down some grass and threw on top of that because I wanted to get that mowed, and drove over it and it worked good. So I can access that from here now. I like taking a walk there. So I did that. I'll show you what else I've done. I'll go over here to the garden, show you what I've done there. Just wanted to show these pine trees, how much growth they've had this year. See all the new growth? They're getting pretty big. They were real little when I planted them here. Give you a comparison here. They are in between pond number 3, which is that one, and pond number 2. It's on the other side of them river birch trees. They really are getting pretty good size. Won't be long till they grow into each other right here, which when they're small trees, you don't plan on that really, but looking good. It's like kind of like a park back here to me. Really like it back here. I'd like to make a bench to set somewhere. Anyway, over here to the garden. Okay, we're here at the garden. This is redbud tree I planted. It was a little bitty thing when I planted it, and I like it here because when I'm working in the garden, I get hot and everything. I come here under the shade for a while and sit. Got gonna have a lot of seeds on it this year. Anyway, okay, this is the garden, and I've got in this row I got marigolds and peppers. I got ancho peppers. I think I got maybe jalapenos, I'm not sure. Italian roasting peppers. That's about the only kind of peppers. I bought a bunch of plants for my mom too, but she started a lot of her own, didn't really need them, so I ended up planting a lot of more than I wanted to plant. These are all tomatoes. Better bush, big beef, sunny boy. Not sure what happened, guys. I think it just cut off on me. Anyway, got tomatoes planted on this row. Cherry tomatoes down here. Oh, I planted two rows of potatoes like 3 weeks ago, and they are all up. I pulled the mulch back because we've had so much rain. I didn't want them to rot, so I left them uncovered. And I'll end up having to mulch around them when the plants get a little bigger. But every one of them come up. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I need to mulch this row. I got some cabbage right here, 3 plants. I need to mulch this, and that's what I'm going to do with that hay or that grass when I pick it up. Oh, I haven't planted any in this. Anybody know what kind of flowers them are? Man, them bumblebees love them things. They really look nice. Them are irises over there. I might have made a mistake by planting them in here. I don't know. Anyway, over here in this bed, I've got thyme, oregano, sage, basil, Italian parsley, and then some more peppers. And basically all I got right now. I forgot to plant onions, so I might get some onion sets and plant them. But just thought I'd show that. Like I said, the wind wasn't blowing today, and I wanted to take advantage of that because it's been blowing so bad up until, well, now I guess we got a lot of rain. A lot of storms, way more than used to when we first moved out here. It wasn't like this. The times are changing. Anyway, guys, just thought I'd show that, and mosquito bit me. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.